Welcome to our class. In the previous class, we saw about television, which is one of the popular mass media. Today, we are going to learn about another mass media, that is newspaper. Do you have the habit of reading newspaper? If your answer is yes, then very good. So today, we are going to see the importance of newspaper in our daily life.
First of all, we will see the new words and their meanings. Pioneer means be the first. Statesman means a respected political figure or leader. Anxious, very eager to know something. Job seekers, a person who looks for a job. Biography means an account of someone's life written by another person. Editorial means a newspaper article expressing the editor's opinion on a topic. Burning means very important. Exaggerated means to make something seem larger, better, or worse than in reality. Distort means give a false account. National integration means feeling of togetherness towards one's own country. So students, now we will see about the newspaper in detail. The world moves very fast and events happen quickly in every sphere of life. People come to know the latest development of the world by reading newspaper. The first newspaper was published in Britain in 1702. The primary function of the newspaper is to provide news of all kinds. The statesman is anxious to know the latest development in the political sphere. The businessmen want to know the correct information about market conditions. The common man like us has a natural curiosity to know about almost everything in general. A successful newspaper gives information to all kinds of readers such as scientists, sportsmen, politicians, businessmen, lawyers, and job seekers. The newspaper also contains articles, commentaries, book reviews, stories, poems, biographies, etc. The editorials and lead articles in a newspaper has more influence on its readers. The news published in newspapers should be true. The newspaper updates our knowledge of the world around us. But we should not blindly believe everything that is printed in newspapers. The newspaper has a very significant role in promoting national integration. So students, now we'll have the model reading of the text. The newspaper. The world moves very fast and events happen very quickly in every sphere of life. People keep in close touch with the latest developments by reading newspapers. The newspaper is the pioneer in the field of mass media. The first newspaper was published in Britain in 1702. It became popular only in the 1890s. Nowadays, the newspaper has become almost as necessary as food and clothing. The primary function of the newspaper is to provide news of all kinds. Millions of copies are printed, read, and discussed every day in our country. The statesman is anxious to know about the latest developments in the political sphere. The businessman wants correct information about market conditions. The common man has a natural curiosity to know about almost everything in general. A successful newspaper caters to the needs of all kinds of readers, scientists, sportsmen, politicians, businessmen, lawyers, and job seekers. Besides being informative, Newspapers possess literary value too. They contain articles, commentaries, book reviews, stories, poems, biographies, etc. The editorials and lead articles in a newspaper exert much influence on its readers. They form and mold public opinion. Businessmen can advertise in the newspapers and thus reach their customers. The press has a sacred responsibility. Its news and views should be true and impartial. The press also serves as a platform where the reader can express his individual and independent views on any burning issue of the day. The newspaper updates our knowledge of the world around us, but we should not blindly believe everything that is printed in the newspapers. News stories may at times be exaggerated or distorted. Yet, the newspaper has a very significant role in promoting national integration. Students, did you understand about the importance of newspaper in our daily life? Okay, very good. Now, we will learn about advertisement. Advertisement is a notice or announcement in a public medium promoting a product, service, or event. Students, this is an advertisement which was given in newspaper about furniture fair. Here you can see different pictures of furniture. You can also see the place and date of the furniture fair. Several advertisements are seen in newspapers. We come to know about various products through them. Look at the features of an advertisement. So, the advertisement has many features. The first one is catchy title, then emotional language and limited words. That means the advertisement should attract the customers. So we have to use catchy title, that means attractive title, emotional language and limited words. Now imagine that you have an old bicycle. You would like to sell it. Prepare an advertisement to be given in a newspaper. This is a simple advertisement based on the sale of a bicycle. Bicycle for sale. Strong, attractive, good condition, red color, used for 3 years only, strong body, gear system, reasonable price. Students, I hope you all understood about how to prepare an advertisement that is to be given in a newspaper. Now, I will give you a project for you. Imagine that you are going to open a restaurant in your area. Prepare an advertisement to be given in a newspaper. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. We will meet in the next class with another lesson. Thank you so much, students.